Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. How you doing? Can I come in?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just looking at your amps real quick. This is really nice. Wow, you really built into the side of the box.
Yeah.
Get the space out of this truck.
Yeah,
Wow.
I had to.
I like your port layout here. Did a really good job with your port roundover too.
Yeah, I thought,
It's really good. Are those PVCs?
yeah.
Okay.
PVC.
That works really good. Do you know your tuning on this? No clue. It's all good, man. Nice. Man, it's really deep. How big is your box gross wise? Have you got, you know those numbers?
No,
That's
I
pretty
had
crazy.
somebody else build it.
Okay. They did a good job though.
Yeah, they done a really
Wow.
good job.
So I do a lot of YouTube videos. JacobVile?
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Scott Merchant.
Okay.
I got 6 Eagle 15s,
Okay.
3 Wolfram 7500s.
Ooh, that was loud. Do you know your tuning, box specs, SPL, anything
Yeah,
like that?
it's 33 hertz.
Okay. Alright. What's your alternator and battery power?
I got 393 max
Okay.
and 390 alternator.
Alright.
No, I'm not.
It'll hurt you, yeah. Nice. Be sure to give Scott a like. man.
You're welcome.
Good pressure, really nice. Oh,
Thank you,
man.
brother.
And it's really musical.
No, I'm not.
It'll hurt you, yeah. Nice. I like your port layout here. Did a really good job with your port roundover too.
Yeah, I saw,
It's really good. Are those PVCs?
yeah.
Okay.
PVC.
That works really good. Do you know your tuning on this? No clue. It's all good, man. Nice. Well, thank you for the demo. What was your
All
name?
right, man. Scott Morgan.
Scott Jacob. Be sure to give Scott a like.